Watch till the end if you want to create a dynamic calendar. Type the first day of the year. Go to Fill Series. Select columns, month, and type the end date. Select the dates. Go to More Number Formats, Custom, and type for ends. Select the month cell. Go to Data Validation, select List, and the list of dates. Select the header of the calendar and type this formula. Now select the first cell of the calendar. Type this formula to add the days. Finally, select the first row. Go to Conditional Format, Greater Than, type 20, and select the format. Do the same with the last row. Select Less Than, type 20, and select the format. Like and follow for more hacks.